Hi everyone, Michelle Fix-It here. Today we're going to be working on changing out a control board for a gas furnace. This one is a integrated furnace control D OEM direct. Product number is 50 Amazon Mike 56-707. It's Goodman. Single stage applications, PSC blower motor, 120 volt HSI ignition. So an unboxing video and an installation video. So it comes with instructions. Put that over here. I'm in a basement, it's dark, so my light source is another phone. We have the control board right here. We have the little clippies right here. We have bubble wrap. And we have a box. Alright, so you guys are just going to basically be a light source for me while I go through the motions of doing this. So we're going to take it out of its box, carefully not touch all the components, but this is what it looks like, because this basement unfortunately had flooding happen to it, and it needs a new control board because the other one is toasted. So I'm going to try to get you guys down to size a little bit, and you guys are just going to be seeing my hands while we work through this process. Okay, so you guys can now see the old one comparison to the new one. So you can look and see that all these parts match up. And so it's just a process of unplugging from here to replug into here. I have needle nose pliers, and I have a flathead, but I don't know if it's going to be an appropriate size. So your first step that you're going to want to do is get these little guys out. These secure it to the board. Well, you're going to also have killed the power before you start in on this process, which I've already done. And you're just pinching these little guys. Whatever way, shape, or form you can get them out. Sometimes you can just pull lightly. There we go. We're going to replace, trying to replace these guys, because we have new clips too. Where's our bag of new clips? And I'm just plugging the new holders in to the holes. I'm a little grumpy because I never came down and checked on this unit. I had a company put it in, and I do not think they did a very good job. Okay. Because I've never had to tinker with it, and it's clearly all messed it up. Alright. I'm at least going to get one of these clicked in to hold the unit. If you work on cars, it's pretty much the same thing, pinching clips and moving them over. This one already has a fuse right there. But it's a big mess of wires, so you just start from one side and work your way out or in. Needle nose pliers are somewhere. God, needle nose pliers. Oh, they're there. pull one off one space, put it in the next space. It's also good to take a bunch of pictures of this before you start on a project. Okay, so that one was 1, and then 2, and then we have a space here. So I have to do a space on the next one. It's in an awkward spot. So space over. Okay. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel free to talk to yourself while you're working on stuff. This one is right next to it. Okay. And then this one is the last one, and there's a space there. Space, that one. Right. Let's move all the wires a little so you can see what else is stuck on here. Right. We have this guy. Pull the clip, push the clips in. He pops off. He plugs in. Right, and then I have this guy. Does not want to come off. Stick him over here. And the blue guy. Oh, that was the water heater firing up. It scared me. I'm like, no, half power killed on this unit. I'm gonna stick him right there. Alright, who else do we have left on here? We have the red guy. So this is the top one, and you just talk to yourself. You just match them up. Orange guy. Orange guy. And we have heat and cool. Okay, now I'm getting to a point where I can't see. Pull the board. Take a good look at it. Okay, let go. Alright, there it is. And this one came from heat, so it's going on heat. Okay. This one comes from cool. And it goes to cool. There we go. Now, the only thing left that we have is the wires that actually go to the thermostat. Let's see if my flathead is small enough for these guys. So this one is R for red, W for white. Sticking it in there, tightening it up. Taking the white one off. Tightening the white one up. Okay. Alright, that's how you can change out a control board. This is the old one. I still don't know if I believe that all of this happened from one event of it being underwater. It wasn't underwater very long. I don't know if this is a used furnace or not. I paid new furnace money for it. Called a company and had them do it and everything. And this little guy is disconnected. And I phoned a friend, and they're not 100% sure on that either. Because this unit did have issues whenever I first had it put in. They said the blower motor wasn't working and all this other stuff. And I'm not 100% sure if it was that they sold me used parts or not. Because this unit's only supposed to be a few years old, and it clearly does not look like it's just a few years old. And it had like candy wrappers and stuff in it when I opened it up. Just weird stuff. But I'm going to give it a blowout and try to fire it up, and we'll see what happens. So you guys like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. And if you need to know how to change out a control board, there you go. That's it. New one, old one. Boom, bang. And if you guys weren't aware, when the control board is working properly, it has this little LED, and it'll illuminate and flash a code, trouble code, whenever it's having issues. And so if you have the flow chart for the control board and you get the code with long blinks and short blinks off the code, then the flow chart will tell you pretty much what's going on. So low tech, high tech. But you guys have a great day. I will see you next time.